Well, hello, Craftinistas. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm showing my inspirational picture for this project I found on Pinterest. There's not a link to it. It's one of those dead links that didn't lead to anything. So that is the inspiration that I had. Here is a frame that I picked up at the Goodwill, and that is what I decided to go with. Frames can be pretty expensive, so I was trying to look for um, something with some good bones to it. So this frame looks pretty sturdy, and what I'm gonna do here is go ahead and take out the backing and this cardboard that's in it. So I took all the staples off and went on and seen what I had to work with. So I have this good sturdy frame, like I said, and I just ended up taking some disinfectant and wiping it down, then letting it dry. And so I had a clean slate to start with. So the next thing I did was took some white paint and just layered it in plain white paint. Here I didn't do the inside, but I ended up doing the little inside gold trim too. I painted the whole thing white with several layers, and then I went on top of it with this Martha Stewart pearl paint on top. So once that was done and I let that dry, I went on over to cut out some dies. I cut out some of these flags here. That's the closest that I had to my inspirational picture there, and I just went through my little dilly-dads that I had, my little bling and little trinkets that I had there, and my twine, and just started pulling everything together and seeing what I could come up with. So here's some of the clearance that I had picked up from Hobby Lobby a while back. It had lots of little things in there. Some flour that I picked up, also on the clearance not too long ago. I pulled this little tassel there. I didn't end up using those little at the bottom. I didn't have enough room for that. Just pulled, a little bit of this and that. And that's how I do when I get ready to do my projects. Just pull what I think I could use, even though it may not go in the project. But that's what happened there. And that mirror I've had for quite some time. I think that was a Michael's find, and I finally end up using that. So what I did was, once I used some washi and glued that down and a flower in the middle on the top, on the back I took some wire, just some floral wire. Then I used a gold paint pen and let that dry. Then I just took my glue gun and glued two wires on the inside track of that, and then followed it up with some long scrapbook paper that I had. I just doubled that paper up, and this is what I came up with. I used those stickers from the Dollar Tree, the gold stickers that everyone has been using, and I thought this would be something inspirational for my daughter's room, like a little kind of motivational thing. And I thought that if I wanted to do pictures, I could also clip pictures on there for her, but I thought that this turned out cute, and I thought I wanted to share this little thing that I made for her room. So thanks for watching, and see you later, Craftinistas.